Let's bake a cake so soft and sweet. Let's bake a cake, let's start today. With flour and sugar, hooray, hooray. Flour, flour, white and light. Sift it slow, soft and bright. Flour, flour, 1, 2, 3. Into the bowl, come bake with me. Sugar, sparkly sweet, makes our cake a lovely treat. Sugar, sugar, pour it slow, stir it gently, nice and low. Eggs, eggs, round and small, crack them gently, don't let them fall. Eggs, eggs, plop and spin, whisk them slowly, pour them in. Milk, smooth and white, pour a little, just feels right. Milk, milk, 1 and 2, now our cake is nearly through. Oil, oil, shiny bright, pour a little, feels just right. Oil, oil, help it bake, such a lovely little cake. Chocolate, yum, yum, yum. Add some chips just one by one. Chocolate, chocolate, makes it fun. Almost done, we're nearly done. Now we mix and hum so low, round and round and nice and slow. Soon our cake will rise so high, underneath the oven sky. Let's bake a cake so soft and sweet, with Bella and Mimi, what a treat. Let's bake a cake and now we know how to mix it nice and slow.